Hey guys, it's Christopher with One Water Yacht Group aboard the spectacular Sunseeker 90 Ocean. One thing we get to do here at One Water Yacht Group is we represent several premium yachting brands, Sunseeker being one. And you get to learn not just about the yachts themselves, but about the culture of the company that builds these yachts. And as a car guy, I've often been a student of the automotive industry. And I remember during the 80s and 90s, the American manufacturers of cars just didn't understand why Toyota was able to build such a superior quality vehicle. And what I learned was that there was no secret sauce to Toyota quality. In fact, Toyota was very open. They would invite anyone from any competitor to come visit their factories and see how they produce their cars. And Sunseeker Yachts takes a similar approach. You can visit the factory, be my pleasure to take you, and when you visit the factory, you'll see that each craftsman, each person building Sunseeker yachts is incredibly committed to quality. But they're not just committed, they are empowered. That was another secret of Toyota quality, is everyone on the line building a Toyota had the power to stop the line and identify a problem and correct it. And in the American automobile industry, nobody was ever stopping the line. And that philosophy of empowering the craftspeople building the product, that philosophy of openness, that philosophy of listening to customer feedback, and that philosophy of continuous quality improvement really very much aligns with the Sunseeker construction process. So I think Sunseeker yachts are a lot like Toyota and, of course, Toyota's luxury brand, Lexus. They take an approach that allows for continuous quality improvement, empowers their craftspeople, and allows their customers to enjoy an absolutely superior product. So if you'd like to learn about Sunseeker quality, Sunseeker luxury, Sunseeker performance, be my pleasure to help. 561-285-1212. Thank you.